Oh no, it is the beginning of 2023 and you are already late to the AI money and literally losing millions each day. And I'll prove it in this video. This is a two-part video and part two is already uploaded, so watch it immediately after this. In recent years, we've seen tremendous advancements in the field of artificial intelligence, from self-driving cars to personal assistants that can understand and respond to voice commands. AI is quickly becoming an integral part of our daily lives, but as we stand on the brink of 2023, guys, one thing is clear: those who fail to embrace artificial intelligence in 2023 risk getting left behind. The truth is, the AI revolution is already here, and it's only going to continue to grow in the coming years. Those who embrace artificial intelligence and find ways to incorporate it in their businesses or career will be the ones who reap the rewards, namely getting rich. From automating mundane tasks to making data-driven decisions, AI has the power to increase efficiency, accuracy, and profits. Those who ignore the potential of AI risk falling behind their competitors and missing out on the financial opportunities it offers. So don't get left behind in the AI revolution of 2023. Start exploring the ways in which AI can make you rich. The number one way that AI can make you rich in 2023: start a business that utilizes AI in some way. Whether it's a software company that uses AI to analyze data or a manufacturing firm that uses AI to streamline production, there are endless possibilities for businesses that embrace AI. Number two, invest AI startups. As AI becomes more prevalent, there will be more and more startups that are focused on AI technologies. By investing in these companies early on, you can potentially see huge returns in the future. Number three, use AI to improve your current business. If you already have a business, consider how AI can help you automate tasks, analyze data, and make better decisions. By increasing efficiency and accuracy, you can boost your bottom line and get ahead of the competition. Number four, learn about AI and become an expert. As AI becomes more important in the job market, those with expertise in the field will be in high demand. By learning about AI and gaining practical experience, you can position yourself as a valuable asset to potential employees. So before we go to the number 5 way to leverage AI to get rich in 2023, comment your favorite way so far. Number 5 way to leverage AI to get rich in 2023 is to offer AI consulting services. If you have a strong understanding of artificial intelligence, it can be applied to various industries. You can offer your expertise as a consultant to businesses looking to implement AI technologies. Namely, you can start an AI